Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make this Christmas tree ornament, a snowflake, where we can hang in our Christmas tree. You can make as many as you want. And we need, I have here Aunt Lydia's Classic 10 in white. And I have a size 8, or I don't know if you can see that, wait, 1.5 millimeter hook. Okay, and I will also show you how to make this stiff so we can hang it in the tree just like it is. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, before we start, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button beside the subscribe button for more of my videos in the future. Thank you so much. Okay, we begin by chaining 2, and make sure that your first chain is loose because we are going to put 12 single crochet right in that first chain. Okay, to single crochet, insert your hook right in that hole and draw a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. First single crochet, okay, we will make 12, 2, 3, 4, oops, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, don't worry if your hole is bigger than mine because we pull that beginning tail there. No, beginning is at the tail is at the beginning. But that's what we do. And to close the round, we slip stitch on top of our first single crochet. Right, so the first round is closed and it's made, and then the next is we chain 3. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you by going back to our finished product here. So we were done with the beginning single crochet round, and now we will make 3 groups of DCs, group of 3 DCs, and we will make 6 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so we do that, chain 3 first, and then we put 2 double crochets right in that first space. Okay, so our beginning chain there is considered as our first double crochet. Now we have one group of 3 double crochets, and then we chain 1, and then we skip a single crochet right here, and we put 3 DCs again in that next space. Okay, and we do this all around, 2 and 3, and then chain 1 again, and then we skip a space, and then we put 3 DCs in the next space again. Alright, now I am done with the second round. I created a group of 3 DCs in one space, 6 total with single crochet in between of them, and at the end, after my chain 1, I slip stitch on top of my beginning chain right there. Okay, alright, so now we will be in the third round. We will be making 3 trebles in the middle DC of the previous round, and then we chain 6, and then 3 trebles, chain 6, 3 trebles, okay, all around. All right, so first we gotta go in the middle DC here. So what I do is I slip stitch. All right, that's kind of all right. I'm sorry for the focus. I don't know how to fix that, but we'll try our best. Okay, so next is we chain 4, 2, 3, and 4, and we put 2 more trebles in that middle, on top of that middle DC from the previous row. To make your trebles, you yarn over twice and insert your hook right on top of that middle DC, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so it's easy. So it's easy. I just yarn over twice and pull through 2 loops 3 times. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in the same space, okay, and then pull through 2 loops 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. That's how we do our trebles. Okay, so in between our group of 3 trebles is 6 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, and we will do another group of trebles in that middle DC from the previous row. Okay, so I will insert it right there and make my trebles. Okay, so we do this all around, and we will have a group of 3 trebles, a 6 groups of 3 trebles when we finish this round. Okay. Okay, I am done with my third round. I created 6 groups of 3 trebles with 6 chains in between them. All right, so that's our third round. And our fourth round is we create this last round. There's 3 double crochets, 3 trebles, and then 10 chains, 3 trebles, 3 double crochets, and 6 chains. And then we repeat that all around. Okay, we start in the beginning of this chain, so we have to slip stitch on our way there. So we slip stitch 3 times, 2 and 3. Okay, now we begin our double crochet. We chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and we put 2 double crochets first, 1 and 2. That's considered 3 double crochets. Our beginning chain is considered as our first double crochet, and then the next is 3 trebles. Okay, okay, after the 3 trebles, we chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then another 3 trebles right in that same space. Oops, I should yarn over twice, 1 and 2, and draw a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, 2 more of those. And then 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Then after that we chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then we do double crochets right here again, 3 double crochets, 3 trebles, 10 chains, 3 trebles, 3 double crochets, and then chain 6, and we do that all around. Okay, I will meet you when I join this end. Okay, so I am done and I joined the end and fastened my ends too, so you can see the tails. Alright, so that's how it looks now. Okay, so we are going to make this stiff. Alright, so let's grab our materials for that. We need the glue. I bought some pins from my dollar store and some clothespins or all-purpose clips they call, and then I clip a parchment paper on top of 2 boards. I have here boards from my packages, Michael's, and I cut 2 of those because I'm going to pin my stuff in here, and then draw a 6 point 1 2 3 4 5 6 points line in my board and put that parchment paper. Make sure that you can see the line, and then we are going to pin our snowflakes right here. Okay. All right, now I have pinned my snowflakes. My pin sometimes gets in the back, so be careful of that. I started by pinning the center and then stretch the 10 chains here from opposite to opposite. Okay, I do this first and then next, and then this one and then next, and then just there's it has not to be perfect, but if you are an perfectionist, then maybe. Okay, but we do the best we can. All right, so now I have shaped my snowflakes. Now I have my glue here and start dabbing the glue all over. Just saturate your snowflakes with glue. Make sure every part is saturated with glue. So that's just how I do it. Some soak it in water and then put glue, but I tried this shortcut way, I call it, and it worked. So why not? Alright, so you go ahead and fill that up with glue and then just leave it for like 4 hours until it's dry. And then you can have hang it in a wire hanger, or if you can find a glue with glitters, I think that will have a nice effect on it. Okay, so this is how we make our ornament, and just keep filling that with glue, and then your thread will absorb those glue and they will soon disappear. Okay, just make sure that you have all the glue. You don't miss a place there, so it won't be lumpy. Okay, so that's how I do my snowflakes. And you can make as many as you want and decorate it in your tree. Okay, alright, so I think that's it. And I have this one. It's not perfect, but it's pretty when it's in the tree. Alright, Okay, so I hope you will try it, and if you want to share your work, I have a Facebook page, Angie's Crochet, and if you don't mind sharing a picture or two of your work, and I will appreciate it. Okay, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe before we end this video. All right, thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye now.